Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to watch Netflix for free. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're wondering how to exactly get or watch or use Netflix for free here, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, previously, Netflix actually offers what we call a free trial. But right now, if you try visiting Netflix, depending on your region, sometimes the free trial for Netflix is no longer available. As you can see here now, depending on your region, free trial may be available. But right now, it's currently unavailable in my current region. So you may want to visit the help center here and see if the Netflix free trial is available in your specific region. But if it's not available, how do you actually use Netflix? Well, the thing with Netflix here is typically they are partnered with different brands or with different companies. Now, depending on what services you're using right now, you may be eligible for what we call free Netflix subscription. Now, an example of that is going to be T-Mobile. So in this case, you want to go ahead and basically type in Netflix T-Mobile, and you want to go and just visit the official website directly from T-Mobile. As you can see right now, we have Netflix on us. We offer this streaming deal with your plan. Now, depending on that service, Netflix would sometimes be offered for free. So, again, you may want to check your different accounts or your current subscriptions here and see if Netflix is also included to that. Now, if you want to use Netflix alongside T-Mobile here, you just need to follow the on-screen steps they provide with you here. Like, for example, downloading the T-Life app here and just following the on-screen steps here, and that should basically give you access to a free Netflix account or a free Netflix subscription. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.